we opened the golf course on November 1st. Then we opened the driving range shortly thereafter, just before Christmas. And that brought us right into the height of season. So we've been operating very busy with tee times and golfers ever since. Staff has done a terrific job in the transition from the old municipal course to the club here. I mean, they really helped the residents get acclimated to the new facility and made it a welcoming experience. We've completed our landscape project that's across from the 18th green and spans down to the first tee box. We're almost complete with the roof on the clubhouse. We're currently moving over to the cart barn facility. That roof is being redone as we speak, and we've also begun to fill in the swimming pool. This summer we'll be doing a lot of golf course maintenance. This will be our first summer to really get out there and do the work that needs to be done. In addition, we're going to be doing a lot of design. We're looking at some potential changes to the golf course, and then we'll be hiring an architect for the interior changes of the clubhouse. So the conceptual designs came back, and what they'll see for the clubhouse is an updating of the look of the exterior. And then as far as the racket facility, they should expect to see first-class racket facilities like the city of Boca Raton already has. It'll be a combination of tennis and pickleball. So I think being our first season and we opened right up against the date of season starting, we've had a pretty successful first 5 months. We look forward to really settling in over the summer and continuing to make improvements. And by next season, I expect us to be fully operational for golf, hopefully a restaurant, and it'll be a great experience.